Hi guys, it's Alan here from Compass Media. Just wanted to jump on today and talk to you about who is in your LinkedIn network and how can you download the data. And really very important to have this, and it's a great little hack for you again on LinkedIn. And as I said, we this is sparked from conversation that happened with D. Scott Smith yesterday on our LinkedIn Live in conversation with Alan. Yes, it happened yesterday. And Scott was actually talking about how you can download your network connections from LinkedIn as a data file, and then use them to go through them and figure out who is your competitor, your not your competitors, your collaborators, your mentors or your mentees that you want, or potential customers or clients as well. So I just wanted to jump on and show you how and where you find that and the steps that you have to take to actually go and do this. Okay, so I just want to jump over here to my LinkedIn profile and show you exactly as to what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see here, let me just take that banner off off the screen so you can see it properly. Okay, so as you can see, this is my LinkedIn screen, my LinkedIn profile. Okay, and very simply, all you have to do is click and go to the Me tab, which is on the top of your LinkedIn profile. Click on settings and privacy, and it should bring you into this screen. Okay, now in the screen there is a lot of different options. It's sort of like the back end of your LinkedIn profile and your LinkedIn settings, and you can change it. So I would advise you to go in, have a look around and see what you can do, so you can sort of adapt your LinkedIn profile to where you want to be or what you want to do with it. But what we're looking for here is how LinkedIn uses your data. Okay, and this is the part that it gets good. Okay, so you can see here under this particular heading, the second tab is get a copy of your data. Okay, and if you click on the change, now when you do click on the change, nothing will happen. Okay, so just be careful, that just be aware of that you aren't actually doing anything until such time as you actually save these particular headings as well. Okay, so as you can see here, I have already requested a new archive, so I'm just going to show you exactly what you would see if you were to come on originally, and it's the first time you've ever done this. So this is the what you'll see when you open up this particular tab. So as you can see, you can have a number of options for accessing your data, your account data, connections, and more. Okay, your LinkedIn data belongs to you, and you can download any archives anytime. Okay, now you have two options here. You have download the larger data file, which includes all of these particular sections, so your connections, your contacts, your account history, your information, and so on and so forth. But if you just want to download your actual connections, all you have to do is to click on the connections button, and it will say to you request archive. Okay, what that does is when you press that button, it will actually send a LinkedIn an information to say that you are looking for this, and it will email you a link to your email. It'll email you a link which you can go and download. Now, just a little bit of word of warning that it will be the LinkedIn will email you to whatever email address that is connected to your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so as for me, it is obviously it's Alan at compassmedia.ie. So that's where I will receive the actual email. Okay, so once you've done that, you literally just press that, and it will give you and it'll say to you, okay, we are going to find this information, and we will be back to you shortly. Okay, and as I said, you will then get a email to say that you are you're going to be receiving this. Okay, so what does that email look like? and how do you use the information? Okay, well, let me just share your screen. And as I said, I downloaded this last night just so we had, so we were able to show you exactly what it says in the email and then how you access this. So let me just share this screen with you here. So as you can see here, this is from LinkedIn, so you can't reply to it. But what it does is it goes, "Hi, Alan, your LinkedIn data archive fast file is ready for you." Excuse me, and you can download your data archives using this link. So basically they will give you a link and you click on that link, and when you click on the link it brings you to the back to that page on LinkedIn, where you can actually download the file. Okay, so as I said, all you have to do is press download file and it will download in a zip folder. Okay, because it's quite a large file, and depending on how many connections you actually have, it will then correlate that information and bring it back to you. Okay, when it downloads in a zip file, all you have to do is double click on it and open it up, and it will give you a CSV file, which is for Excel. Okay, it's in an Excel spreadsheet. So let me just show you exactly how it looks here when you've downloaded it. Okay, so double click on that, and as you can see here, hopefully you can see the screen. Yeah, so as I said, you can see here that it gives you all of the information. Now the beauty of this is it will actually, I have over 3,200 connections on LinkedIn, but if I go to the very end, you can see that when I first connected with someone, which was Steve Sutton, back in July of 2010. Okay, so it starts at the very start and it works all the way up. So it's a great way of finding out information as to when you connect with people, and it may even nudge you to say, okay, that was at a particular conference or that was at a particular thing. But as I said, you can then put that information together and you can start using it to find out who are the people that could be potential customers, could be potential collaborators, partners that you may want to partner up with. And then you can actually, I suppose, sort that information out into another spreadsheet or whatever way you want to put it into a database or whatever it may be. But it gives you that opportunity. It also, as I said, it shows you the person's name, if they have an email address associated with their LinkedIn profile that they want people to view as public. Some do, some don't. It also shows you the company that they work for, and it shows you also the position as well that they worked for. And then, as I said earlier on, the date that you connected with them. So it's a really, really good exercise to do by going in and actually just downloading this every couple of months. And so if you get an influx of people that are going to connect with you, it means that you can download that information and keep an eye on it. And also it's a really, really good opportunity for you to look at who you are connected to, and are you connected to the right people? Is there people in there that have a similar, I suppose, in a similar industry that you would like to connect with more? So it may give you a little bit of a nudge to sort of say, okay, I see I have 20, I've 150 digital marketers that I wanted to I have connected with. Maybe I should add more in the, I don't know, in a different area of business or something like that. So it gives you the opportunity to do a little bit of homework as well as that. But I would always, as Scott said yesterday on the actual, in conversation, he says, 150 of these people will be your key people that you will want to be connecting with. So it's a good idea to actually do this exercise, have a look at it, and it's there. It's information that is collected, and is the data is there for you to use. It's free to use. You can download this because it's on your LinkedIn profile and only you have access to this. So it's really, really good opportunity. It saves you having to go and scroll through all of your connections on LinkedIn. You can just do it all onto a spreadsheet, and then you have that information there. So I do hope this is of benefit to you. And if you are interested and you want to learn more about LinkedIn, please do get in contact with me. Always delighted to chat to anyone and help them with their LinkedIn, I suppose their visibility on LinkedIn and keeping their awareness. Also, if you do like this, you can type subscribe into the comments, and we will you'll never miss an episode, so we will let you know when we're going to go live in future broadcasts and stuff like that as well. We are also starting we're also going to be running a new course starting in September. The date hasn't actually been officially put together at the moment. We are currently just working on a few dates, but it will be probably in around the first week of September. It's called LinkedIn Logic: Step into Your Future Online, and it's going to be a 4-week course with a live online session every week for 1 hour on social media in a private group. And if you're interested and you want to learn more, please do get in contact with me. What are we going to be covering? We're going to be covering a number of different options. We're going to be looking the first week at the fundamentals of LinkedIn. Second week, we're going to be looking at building your profile and having a killer profile, powerful profile as well. In week 3, we're going to be looking at connections and how to build connections, and then also how to create that content that's going to get more eyes on your content. Okay, guys, and giving you little hacks and tips and tricks in week 4 of what you can do with LinkedIn and how you can use it, and some of the key features as well that are always coming to light, and we will be always updating that as well. So all that to come on a 4-week course. If you're interested in finding out more information, please do get in contact with me. You can email me at alan@compassmedia.ie, or you can send me a private message here on LinkedIn. Or if you're on any of the other platforms and you want to connect with me there and you want to find out more information, just follow the process of connecting or DMing me or PMing me or whatever you want, whatever way you want to do it. Okay. And we will have this information up on the Compass Media website and also on the Alan Hennessy website in the next couple of days. So guys, looking forward to having you join us for our LinkedIn Logic: Step into Your Future Online. And it really is, it's going to be so powerful. We're going to give so much information out that you're going to really learn from, and we do hope you will come and join us for that as well. So guys, have a great day. As I said, if you want to get in contact with me, you want to reach out for me, I'm always happy to connect with everyone here on LinkedIn and also on any of the other social media platforms as well. And if you have any questions or if you need any help in consultancy work with regards to social media or digital marketing, please do reach out to us and contact us. As I said, email address alan@compassmedia.ie. Visit the website, find out more information about me and about what I do. Okay, so guys, have a great day, and I shall talk to you soon. And as I always say, be social. Until next time, bye bye.